Ophiuroidea Echinodermata
by Vicki Archer,
Olivia Genereux,
Marie Catherine French,
and Rebecca Scanlan.
Hey guys, what's that?
According to my observations, that's an Ophiuroidea Echinodermata.
Scuttle on over here, little guy.
Hey guys, that's a little formal for me. You can just call me Brittle Starfish. If you guys want to learn all about me, you should check out my Facebook page.
I'm Ophiuroidea Echinodermata, but all my friends call me Brittle Starfish. I'm a lot more special than your average starfish because I can move around quite easily by wiggling my arms. I'm pretty cute, and I have 5 flexible arms, just like the rest of my family. If we are getting personal, I suppose I should mention that everyone in my family has 3 distinctive characteristics. We all have 5-part symmetry, internal calcium carbonate skeletons in mineral form, and a water vascular system of fluid-filled vessels at the end of our feet for getting around stuff.
Looks like you live in oceans all over the world. Do you live in only a certain depth of water?
You're right, I can live anywhere from the Arctic to the tropics in very shallow tide pools or in deep benthic zones.
Oh, cool. What do you mean by open relationship?
Well, I can reproduce in a few different ways, sexually or asexually.
How do you do that?
When the brittle stars reproduce sexually, we release our gametes into the water. Some of us are asexual, meaning we split our central discs and divide into 2 identical organisms.
So you're 19 years old? How long do you usually live?
The lifespan is between 11 to 20 years old for most of us. You should check out my profile pic next.
According to my research, brittle stars have a central disc and usually have 5 flexible arms, which they use to dig or move across the ocean floor. They can come in many different colors and sizes, ranging from a few centimeters to 3 feet.
And gas exchange takes place through sacs called bursae located inside the body.
Look what I had to eat yesterday. Seaworms, detritus, phytoplankton, and small mollusks. Delicious. I love eating things with the mouthpiece located on the underside of my central disc. Check out my status from Sunday. Oh gosh, I just got chased by some bottom-feeding fish and crabs. My worst enemy. I got away, but I lost an arm. Don't worry, friends, it'll grow back.
We've learned a lot about you. What about the rest of your family and ancestors?
Looks like the oldest relatives of the brittle star lived about 500 million years ago.
That's true, but our fossils are pretty hard to find because we usually disintegrate after death.
The oldest known brittle star was found in southern France and was called Ophiuroidea Jacobi.
The modern brittle originated from now the extinct group Ophiuroidea, the earliest known relative. The main body of modern brittle stars aren't too different from their oldest ancestors. They have very similar characteristics, including their distinct central body disc, jaw structure, and vertebrate characteristics.
There have been a few changes over the years. One of the most notable evolutions occurred after the brittle star underwent a period of radiation from an unknown source. The species that evolved from this radiation closely resemble many modern-day species.
Nice cover photo. Looks like you're pretty distantly related to us mammals, though.
You're right, some of my closest relatives include sea urchins and sand dollars. Do you guys want to see something neat that I found about my family on Sunday? I found out that in my extended family, the Echinodermatas, we have these other families. I guess you could call them my cousins. The Astroidea, the Ophiuroidea, that's me, the Echinodea, the Holothuridea, and the Crenodea. We've been evolving for 500 million years. Talk about a big family. And before you go, I think you guys would like to check out my video about my vacation in Guam.
Sweet. Add me as a friend.
You seem pretty cool, Brittle Star.
It was great getting to learn about you and your family.
Thanks, guys. See you later. Inbox me sometime.